Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 9, subject higher mathematics, chapter name equation, exercise 5.7, lecture 1. Today's lesson, to solve quadratic equation by using graph. That is very easy chapter. Just we will follow some solution. Using graph to solve x square minus 5x plus 4 this equal to 0. This type of quadratic equation we had already solved in previous class by using formula. That's mean by using formula we can easily find the values of x. As this is quadratic, so x have two values. Okay. Now we'll solve by using graph. Here given x square minus 5x plus 4 this equal to 0. This is equation number 1. When we'll use graph, we need both abscissa and ordinate. Okay, so we can let y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 4. This is equation number 2. For some values of x, we find the corresponding values of y to get the associated points on the graph and put this in the table below. Okay, follow. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 4. That's mean when we will put here x is equal to 0. 0 is square minus 5 into 0. That's mean 0 minus 0 means 0 plus 4 mean y is equal to 4. Okay. When x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 0. When we'll put here x is equal to 1, that's mean 1 square mean 1 minus 5 into 1 plus 4. That's mean 1 minus 5 plus 4. That's mean 5 minus 5. This equal to 0. Okay. That's mean when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. And like this way, we can find the values of y or corresponding values of x. That's mean when x is equal to 2, then y is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to 2.5, then y is equal to minus 2.25. When x is equal to 3, then y is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 4. Now plotting the point in the graph. This is a graph. Okay. S small square as 1 unit. That's mean when x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 mean here 0, this is a origin. Okay. 0, y is equal to 4 mean this point. That's mean x is equal to 0 mean along this side or this side don't move, but move only y-axis. That's mean 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 0, 4. 1, 0. 1, 0 mean x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So lie on x-axis. And when x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 mean 1, 2, y is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 mean below side of x-axis. That's mean this point. Okay. When x is equal to 2.5, that's mean this, y is equal to minus 2.25. That's mean this point. When x is equal to 3, that's mean 1, 2, 3, then y is equal to minus 2. That's mean 1, 2. That's mean this point. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. That's mean x is equal to 4 mean 1, 2, 3, 4, y is equal to 0. That's mean this point. And when x is equal to 5, that's mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then y is equal to 4. That's mean 1, 2, 3, 4. This point. Now, by using hand or free hand, join the point. Okay. By joining this point, we'll get a graph of this equation. From the graph, we can see this graph intersect x-axis at 2 points. One is this point and another one is this point. That's mean this is 1 0 and this is 4 0. Okay, and here abscissa x is equal to 1, here abscissa x is equal to 4. As the given equation related only x, so we have to find the value of x. Clear? That's mean 1 0 and 4 0, these 2 points intersect the graph. Therefore the required solution x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. Clear, student? Okay. Same math, just again I will explain. Here given x square minus 4x plus 4, this is equal to 0. Okay, this is a given condition, equation number 1. We have to let y equal to this. That's mean this. Now we have to find values of y for corresponding values of x, and given the associated points for the graph and put in the table. That's mean in here. Okay, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. That's mean 1 square minus 4 into 1. That's mean 4 plus 4 plus 4 minus 4 cut, only will be here 1. When x is equal to 1.5, then y is equal to 0.25. By using calculator you can find the value, no problem. When x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2.5, y is equal to 0.25. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. That's mean 9 minus 12 plus 4. 9 plus 4 mean 13, minus 12 mean plus 1. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4. That means 16 minus 16. That means this cut will be here only plus 4. Now plotting this point on the graph, will get this. That's mean this is 2 0, this is 2.5 and 0.25, this is 3.1, here 1 1, here 0 4, here 4 4, and we know how to put the point on the graph. Okay, now by joining the point we'll get the graph of this equation. From here the graph intersect x-axis at only this point, that's mean 2 0. Okay, but the equation is quadratic, so x have two values. One is 2, another one also will be 2. Therefore the required solution will be 2 2. Clear, student? Okay, now follow another. All are same. Okay, this is given condition, x square minus 2x minus 1, this is equal to 0. We have to let y equal to x square minus 2x minus 1. Okay, this is equation number 2. Now find the values of y for corresponding values of x, and the point put in a table. That's mean when x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. Okay, minus 1 mean minus 1 square mean 1, minus 2x, x mean minus 1, so minus this minus plus, so here will be 1, here will be plus 2. That's mean plus 3, plus 3 minus 1 mean 2, and like this way we'll get other points. Okay, you can use calculator, no problem. Now plotting the point on the graph, and by joining the point we'll get a graph of this equation. Okay, but this intersect x-axis at this point and this point, but this is not clear. Okay, so for easy to understand what will be this point and this point, you will solve this quadratic equation by using formula. Okay, you will solve this quadratic equation by using formula, and you know how to solve by using formula. So from there you can easily understand this point will be what. This point, like as From here to here mean 1. This is like as 0.5. As this point and this point nearest, so we think that is a 0.4. And here 2, here 3. This not middle of this is line. That's mean from here to here. Okay, so 2 point not 5, that's mean 2.4 or 4.4 something. Okay, so here is given 2.24, that's mean that will be 2.24. But when we will use formula, we can easily find this value and this value. Okay, clear student? Same math. This is a given condition. You have to let this by using calculator. Will find the values of y for corresponding values of x. Now plotting the point in the graph, will get a graph. Okay, which intersect x-axis at this point and this point. Therefore 1 and 2 will be the values of x. That is very easy. And in your book exercise 5.7, 9 number all are same. Okay, there are given some math you have to solve, and 1 up to 8 that are MCQ. Just you have to solve more 10, 11 and 12. That's mean 10, 11 and 12 related previous chapter. So I think that everybody will easily solve 1 up to 12 in this exercise. Okay, and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 1/8/2021, time 11 AM. And any one of you will face problem, you can share with me, no problem, I will help. So today up to this, thank you to all everyone.